What's up, everyone? I'm going to be doing 2 parts to this build. I know it just looks like a pile of random bricks, but it actually turns out to be something very cool. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet because I want it to be a surprise. So to start off this interesting, cool build, I'm going to start off with a 6x2 brick and 2 of these 1x1 studs with claw. Take 2 of those and just set them side by side, facing street. Then take 1 of these 4x2 bricks and just put it right behind it. Then take 1 of these car axle pieces and just put it in front. So it should look something like this so far. Then take 2 of these sticks and put them in the claws. I want to push them in so they're touching the back of the, like push them in so they don't go anymore. And then take 1 of these 2x2 bricks and just put it behind the axle pieces. So then it should look like this. Then take 2 of these 1x1 studs and just put them in the front like so. Then take 2 of these 1x2 slopes, 2 of them. I like using different colors for some reason. So after you got this, then take 2 of these 1x2 plates with claws and just put them in the very front. And you need to put the sticks in right so that the bump is right there, so then you can't push in anything. So after you have this, then take 1 of these wings. Actually, you're going to need 2 of these and 2 of these facing the opposite direction. And when you do, just stack them on top of each other. And then do that same thing to the other side. Like this. So then it looks like this. Some of you could probably tell what it is already. Then take 2 of these mechanical arms and just put them in the axles like this. I didn't have 2 of the same color, so I'm just using different colors. You need to make sure that it's facing this direction straight, so that when you, so it's not just you need to put them in so that when it looks on the side, it goes this way. It goes, I think, left or right, I don't know. But as you can see, that what I'm showing you right now needs to be like that. Then take 2 of these fire hydrant tops and just put them in the robot pieces. Take 2 of them and put it so that it's like this. So bye, I hope you enjoyed this video. And you'll see how to build the rest of it in my next video. Bye.